All right, so if you're watching this video, then you're watching to find out how to best set up a two-way table. Okay, so we're going to set up a two-way table based on some information that we're given. Okay, so the first thing that we need to decide is, well, what are we setting a two-way table up to compare? Okay, so let's kind of read a little bit about what information we have here. So I know I have some students that have a cell phone. I have some students that have a laptop, cell phone, and there it is. Those are the two things. So we're going to draw a rectangle, okay? And our rectangle, we want there to be 3 rows and 3 columns, okay? In your rows and columns, you definitely want the last row to be total, and you want the last column to also be a total. Okay, so these two columns are very important columns to have in, okay? Since we know that we are comparing information between a cell phone and a laptop, then that's what's going to go on our two-way table. So what you're going to do, just pick which one you want to be rows and columns. It does not matter, but when you pick it, you're going to do, okay, so we have cell phones, no cell phone. Okay, we're going to do laptop for the columns and no laptop. And so kind of keep that in mind. That's what we have, right? You're going to have cell phone, no cell phone, laptop, no laptop. Okay, that's how those have to go. Okay, so this is for cell phones and then no cell phones. This is for laptop and then no laptop. Okay, so they have to kind of go in that order. Then it's just a matter of filling things in. So if we take a look at the first one, it says 78 students own a cell phone. Well, it doesn't say anything about whether they have laptops or not. So if they have a laptop or they don't have a laptop, 78 of them definitely have a cell phone. So that 78 is going to go right here. Then it says 57 of those students own a laptop. So 57 of these guys have a laptop, so that's going to go right here. 57 of them have a laptop, okay? Then it says 13 students do not have a cell phone, but do have a laptop. So we have no phone with a laptop. So again, 13 students do not have a cell phone, so we're in the no cell phone, but we do have a laptop, so we're going to put it in the do laptop column, okay? And then the last one says that 9 students have neither one. So there are 9 students that have no cell phone and no laptop, so that 9 goes here. The other thing that you have to kind of keep in mind with your two-way tables is that when you get to the total, you're going to add going down. Okay, so I'm going to add 57 and 13 here. I'm going to be adding across as well. Okay, and so 57 plus what will equal 78, and then that number goes right there. Okay, so I just wanted to clean it up a little bit and get the rest of those numbers filled in nicely for you. So 57 plus what is going to give us 78, and so the number that goes here ends up being 21, because 57 plus 21 gives us 78. 13 plus 9, if I continue to add straight across, gives me a 22. And then if I add straight down, 57 plus 13 is going to be 70. 21 plus 9 is going to be 28. And then the last thing that I want to do is I just want to add across one more time and add down one more time and make sure that I get the same number right here. Okay, so is 70 plus 28, that is 98, and is 78 plus 22 equal to 98? Oh no, it's not, right? So what did we miss? What did we get wrong? So let's go do a little bit of double checking. So 78 minus 57, oh, we don't have to borrow. I'm going to get 21, so I just double checked that, definitely 78, okay? 57 plus 13, did I do that one right? Let's go check there. 70, that is definitely right. Oh, I see what I missed. 21 plus 9, should it be 30. Look at that. Even Miss Hunsaker sometimes makes a mistake. So 70 plus 30 should be 100. And if I double check, 78 and 22 is also 100. So that's a really good way for you to make sure that you also have done the table correctly and set it up correctly. Just keep in mind one last time, it should go cell phone, no cell phone, and it should go laptop, no laptop.